Navigating sales tax can be tricky. QuickBooks Online helps you collect, track, and report it correctly, so you are always compliant. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, set up your tax agencies and rates. Go to Taxes Sales Tax and click Set up tax rates. Add your state, county, or local tax agencies and their corresponding rates. Then, assign the correct tax rate to each customer and product/service item. When you create a sale, QuickBooks will automatically calculate the tax based on the customer's location and the taxability of the items sold. My crucial pro tip: run the sales tax liability report before you pay. Don't just trust the total in the sales tax center. Before you remit payments to agencies, run this report for your specific filing period. It gives you a detailed, audit-ready breakdown of what you've collected per jurisdiction, ensuring you pay the exact amount owed. Set it up right once, and QuickBooks handles the complex calculations for every transaction. Do you deal with single or multiple sales tax rates? What's your biggest challenge with it? Share with us. For more essential compliance tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.